While I was working on the second gig, I saw that I got my first order. They say selling AI art on Fiverr is impossible for beginners. So I challenged myself to prove them wrong by getting my first sale using ChatGPT art.
I used to scroll Etsy thinking, no way people actually buy this stuff, until I saw shops making thousands from simple portraits.
Now, the first thing I need to do is pick the best custom art to sell. So after digging through tons of shops and reviews, I finally found the top 5 best-selling styles. First up, custom royal pet and owner portrait. This one is booming on Etsy right now. In just the last 24 hours, they made 5 sales. Here's how it works. The buyer sends in 2 or more images of them and their pet, and we combine them into one epic royal-style portrait.
Here's why this matters if you work a 9 to 5. You don't need to guess what people will buy. Others already did the testing for you. By copying proven bestsellers, you save hours of trial and error and can start earning faster even if you only have evenings free.
Now here's the crazy part. If you check the reviews, people are happy, even with low-quality results. And that's what fires me up, because I know we can create something 10 times better using AI.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video, packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Next, custom pixel art portrait. This one's super popular on Fiverr. I've seen freelancers getting sales daily, and this Etsy shop made over 8,000 reviews, and they're only selling digital downloads. Third, custom royal pet portrait. It's just like the first one, but only the pet. People absolutely love seeing their pets dressed like royalty. And again, the quality, it's average at best, but they're still happy with it because most people have no clue how powerful.
That's when I realized, if they're selling, I'm creating. Time to let ChatGPT crank out my first samples in seconds.
Start generating them, because I'll use these in the presentations when we list. Now, my strategy, and I haven't seen anyone else doing this, is instead of using images of regular people, we'll use famous people. That grabs way more attention. So for the first one, I jumped on Pinterest to find a person and their pet. I chose JJ from Outer Banks and a German Shepherd, dropped both into ChatGPT with the prompt, and there it is. Looks amazing. Just look at the detail and quality. It's crazy.
For someone stuck in a day job, this is a game changer. You don't need design skills or years of practice. In a few minutes after work, you can generate professional looking art. That means your free time turns into income time instead of another wasted evening.
Now for the pixel art, I picked iShowSpeed. The guy grabs attention like no one else. Used the second prompt, ran it through ChatGPT, and in seconds, we got exactly what we wanted.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Next, for the royal pet portrait. Obviously, there's no famous pet. So I searched for a random cute cat and used the same method. The queen cat is ready. For the watercolor portrait, since couples love this style, I searched for a happy couple. PK and Shakira. Just kidding. I picked Ronaldo and Georgina. Once I generated it, the result was amazing. Look how the background was removed and the focus stayed on the...
But great art alone won't sell. You need a brand. So let's name it, logo it, and set up shop on Fiverr.
We need to brand our service. We need a name and a logo. Don't put your face on Fiverr because you have no reviews and no one knows you. So head over to Namealix. It'll give you a lot of creative name ideas based on your niche. I actually like this one, Artify Me. Now go to Leonardo AI and ask it to generate a text-based logo for your brand. You can click generate multiple times to get more choices. So in our challenge, I'll use this logo. It looks professional.
Most beginners skip this, but branding makes you look serious even if you're just starting. If you're tired from your 9 to 5, this small step does the heavy lifting for you. A good name and logo build trust. So buyers pick you over random sellers with no identity.
Now we're ready to open our Fiverr account. For the username, we'll use our brand. If it's already taken, just add shop at the end. Then just answer a few questions to let you in. In the personal info section, just add your brand info, upload the logo, and write a description, like this one I got from ChatGPT. Also, add all the languages that you speak. Now in the professional info, try your best to convince Fiverr that you're talented at what you'll be offering. So I'll add all the skills related to art and design, then move on to the account security part. Here, you have to verify your phone number to complete all the account settings.
With my brand ready, it was time to actually list the gig. Title, tags, and that sweet $5 starter package.
1 gig per day for each art piece. This gives me more time to promote it throughout the rest of the day. So let's list our first one. Click on gig. And since the challenge is to create art with ChatGPT, I also want the gig setup to be done by ChatGPT. So I asked it to act like a Fiverr expert and guide me step by step to set up my gig. As you can see, it gave me a simple and clean title, just like Fiverr recommends.
Here's the smart part for 9 to 5 workers. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm yourself with multiple packages. Start with one low-priced gig, get reviews, and build momentum. Reviews are like your side hustle resume. They prove you're worth hiring even if you're new.
Next step is the categories. ChatGPT asked me for the title so it could move to the next step. Then it suggested the category. Just select the ones it gives you. For the illustration style, select freestyle drawing. Add the tags ChatGPT gives you and move on to pricing. For this, I'll use only one package because I need reviews. After a few sales, I'll scale up by adding more packages and increasing the price. And this is exactly what ChatGPT suggested. So use the name, the description, and for delivery time, choose 1 day, unlimited revisions, and check everything else. Price it at $5.
But a gig without visuals is invisible. So let's dress it up with Canva images, a PDF portfolio, and even a short video.
The gig gallery, we need to stand out from others. So open Canva and use this dimension. You can customize it as you like. For example, I will use the Magic Expand to fill the page, then remove anything from the image using Magic Eraser. For that, you'll need Canva Pro. I'll drop the Canva invitation link in the description so you can use this feature. Now I add 2 cards and place those images on them, like the owner and the pet. It looks cool. The best way to present something is to show the result, exactly like this. So I just made another one. For the third image, I just placed those samples to show the quality.
Think of this like your shop window. After a long day at work, you don't want to waste time chasing customers. Let your gallery do the talking. A clean display means buyers trust you instantly, and you don't need to beg for sales. It works for you while you sleep.
Another thing, in the gig gallery, you can also upload a PDF to show your work. We have nothing to lose, so I made one. I just created more art with ChatGPT and put them on Canva. I'll give you the link to this template so you can use it or tweak it however you want. Now, the thing that will give us 40% more chance than others is the video. Don't worry, you don't need any skills. Just stay in Canva, click Select All using Ctrl+A and hit Animate. Then choose an animation like the pop.
But a pretty shop means nothing if no one visits. So I went hunting for free traffic in Facebook groups.
But I want to get my first sales fast, so I'll do some free promotion for the gig. And the best place for that? Facebook groups. There's massive free traffic there. Let's search for groups related to art and only join the ones with 10+ posts a day. This means the members are super active. Try to join as many groups as possible.
This is where 9 to 5 workers win. without paying for ads. Post in free Facebook groups when you have a few spare minutes. People engage, DM you, and you close sales quietly. No spam, no risk, no wasted time, just extra cash flowing in while you still keep your job.
Now for posting, I'll share my artworks. I have lots of images, so I'll rotate between them. But when it comes to the text, don't drop your Fiverr link directly. Admins will kick you out. So be smart and write something like, "Just finished this custom art piece. I'd love to know what you think. Rate my design from 1 to 10. If you want something similar, feel free to DM me anytime." This will get people to engage with the post, and anyone who's interested will DM me. Then I'll send them the direct link to my gig privately. So I think day 1 is done. As planned, we'll list the next gig on day 2. What a beautiful day. While I was working on the second gig, I saw that I got my first order. So yeah, with high quality gigs, Fiverr will eventually recommend your services. Now, before creating the order for this person, I want to first show you how many messages I got from scammers.
And that's the moment it clicked. If one person buys, more will. This is how you turn simple AI art into a side hustle that can replace your 9 to 5.
If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.